Hello, hi, good morning, very good morning to all of you guys. Welcome to Guidely. This is Aditya. I hope I'm audible and visible to all of you guys clearly. Sound clear, picture quality is fine. Let's move into the session and have a discussion around 17th of June 2025 current affairs. तो आज का डिस्कशन 17 जून के करंट अफेयर्स के ऊपर. न्यूज नंबर 1. Reserve Bank of India simplify the access and reactivation of the dormant account and deposits. Maybe few of you are thinking that, sir, I think we have discussed this news. So every time now RBI news are going to be uh, discussed two times. The reason being, what RBI have made a process. Whenever RBI want to issue any particular set of rules and regulations, so first time RBI will post it over the RBI website. Then RBI will wait for 30 days for the public comments. कि भाई जनता क्या सोचती है इसके ऊपर. तो आरबीआई पहले उस न्यूज को पोस्ट करेगा, वेट करेगा, देन after that RBI come with the circular, then or you can say that then RBI come with the set of rules and regulation. Okay, so it's better for us, it's better for you also if you are able to discuss two times same news here only in the discussion mode, right? So Reserve Bank of India simplifies and reactivation of the dormant account and deposit. I think you guys are able to recall it, that what are the initiative RBI announced in the reactivation of the dormant account. Then Reserve Bank of India report forex reserve increased by $5.17 billion to $696 billion. Guys, this particular data is very much similar to the GDP prediction. When we are very near or very close to our examination, then we need to cover this data. Otherwise, we need to wait for update. Means this data is not at all important when we are going to write any of our examination in the month of September or October. Why? It is going to be updated. The same data will not be useful, right? So this data we will cover in every 15 days and every month, but we need to cover the updated data at the time of examination. Okay. NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, got the approval from the government of India to issue 19,500 crore rupee deep discount bond. Anyone can tell me what is the meaning of deep discount bond? I am going to explain for sure. But आप में से किसी को पता है कि डीप डिस्काउंट बॉन्ड क्या होते हैं? तो बताइए उसके बारे में. Maruti Suzuki India Limited signed MOU with Equatus Small Finance Bank for the strategic vehicle financing partnership. Now Equatus Small Finance Bank will act as a preferred bank for the Maruti Suzuki cars, other vehicles. When you want to buy, it will act as a preferred financer, preferred banker from where you can take the car loan. Then we have the data of WPI and CPI both. Wholesale price index, consumer price index for the month of May. Not only May, I'll give you the complete data of WPI, CPI in the form of table started from January till now. पूरा डेटा मैं एक बार में यहीं पर टेबल में दे दूंगा. Follow it properly. Very very important. ठीक है. So deep discount bond like zero coupon bond, sir. It is actually zero coupon bond only. If you will search over Google, Google will say deep discount bonds are like zero coupon bond. They are actually zero coupon bond only. Reserve Bank of India approved Prashant Kumar sir reappointed as the Yes Bank Managing Director and CEO for the duration of 6 months. 6 months started from 6th of October. 6th of October जो है वहां से 6 मंथ के लिए इनका टेन्योर एक्सटेंड किया रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने. प्रशांत कुमार इज द सेम पर्सन who have converted one of the loss making bank Yes Bank into a profitable bank, which is Yes Bank at present in today's situation. Amitabh Kant to step down from the G20 Sherpa position, marking 45 years of government career. So he was the CEO of Niti Aayog. He has served on the different secretary position previous to that in the government of India. Now Mr. Amitabh Kant is getting retired finally from the different position. His last position was the G20 Sherpa. अब इनका रेजिग्नेशन गवर्नमेंट ने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है. NASA spotted Mars volcano standing twice tall to the Earth highest mountain. जो अर्थ पर माउंटेन्स लोकेटेड है, हाई माउंटेन वेरी सिमिलर टू द एवरेस्ट, ट्वाइस टू देम volcano have been found over the Mars. Means Mars volcanoes are very high. What is the name of that volcano? What is the height of that volcano? That all the information I'll share. If question may come in the examination, may not. United Nations declared 2026 as the International Year of Women Farmer to recognize the role of women in the global agriculture. So, जो वुमेन का कंट्रीब्यूशन है ग्लोबल एग्रीकल्चर में उसको रिकॉग्नाइज करने के लिए रिसेंटली यूनाइटेड नेशन ने अनाउंस किया है इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ वुमेन फार्मर्स 2026. So, United Nation Year of 2026. Remember that 2026 is not only for this. Apart from that, there are one or two other important international day announced by the same organization, United Nations. So I'll give you the list. Wait for the list. India celebrate 10 year of International Yoga Day. Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh is going to hold the national event this year. So which place will be the host place for the national event of International Yoga Day? Answer will be Visakhapatnam. 10 year will be completed. Okay. चलिए होमवर्क के क्वेश्चंस चेक कर लेते हैं पहले क्विकली. मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी कमेटी हेल्ड 55th meeting under the chairmanship of whom in June 2025. Correct answer is Mr. Sanjay Malhotra, who is the current governor of the Reserve Bank of India, and 55th edition of the Monetary Policy Committee meeting was held in June 2025. How many members of the Monetary Policy Committee voted for 50 basis point in the पॉलिसी रेपो रेट कटिंग इन द जून 2025? कितने लोगों ने वोट किया कि हाँ भाई रेपो रेट को क्या किया जाए, कम कर दिया जाए टू 50 बेसिस पॉइंट, 50 बेसिस पॉइंट तक कम कर दें. सो आउट ऑफ 6, 5 members voted to decrease it up to 50 basis point. One of the member out of 6 voted to decrease it not 50, only 25 basis point. मतलब कि 6 में से 5 तो रेडी थे कि हाँ भाई कर दो 50, डिक्रीज कर दो 50 बेसिस पॉइंट. एक मेंबर ने कहा 50 ने 25 बेसिस पॉइंट डिक्रीज करते हैं, इफ रिक्वायर्ड विल डिक्रीज इट लेटर 25. सो दैट वन वाज श्री सुगाता भट्टाचार्य. सुगाता भट्टाचार्य voted to decrease it to only 25 basis point instead of 50 basis point. A little bit deep question we can take if it is possible. Upcoming examination, if they will ask the question, we should be ready to answer it to this much deep level also, right? So our TNA heroes are Simbu, Saran, Kavya, after that Parvati, BSR, Pavani, then Codehart, Prasanna, Rachna, Sandhya, then Abhinay, Anusha, Anuj, Uday, Sabha, Karuna, Asha, Jagidurga Rao ji, Arun again, Veer, and Ashish. For this, you need to drop mail at the support@guidely. Okay, Satya. Thank you guys. Thank you for answers. Homework question for tomorrow. What is the revised repo rate decided by the MPC, Monetary Policy Committee, in June 2025? The reduction of the CRR will be implemented in how many tranches? When was the first tranche of the CRR reduction will be effective from? बहुत बढ़िया important question है, simple है, easily you can answer, but important to remember the data as well. Hustle 2.0 one-stop solution for the complete preparation of your banking awareness, current affairs, static GK at one place you can prepare, including the insurance awareness for all your upcoming examination. Don't worry about the language barrier. I'll explain in English. Along with that, wherever it is necessary required to explain in Hindi, I'll use that as well. But English is mandatory to be explained in the English each and every concept. So you can join the batch without any hesitation. Today itself, start your preparation immediately. Credit officer batch for the CBI, Central Bank of India, and PNB credit officer, both are live. You can also check the details of GOAT platform, which is our mentorship program. If you're looking for one-to-one personalized mentorship, then it is one of the best platform where you can get the mentorship from one of the dedicated mentor of Guidely. My PDF will be available in this Telegram group. If you are confused regarding preparation, have any type of question, connect with me directly. You can also drop the message to me in my inbox in the Telegram. There is no issue. रेगुलेटरी न्यूज को स्टार्ट करेंगे. न्यूज नंबर 1 सिंपल न्यूज है. रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया टू डिक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ डेफ फंड टू डिक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ unclaimed deposits in India. Reserve Bank of India came with the guideline for the reactivation of the dormant account. Now, first of all, give me the number. I'll ask you few questions. Tell me the data. कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं, आंसर बताते हुए चलेगा. आफ्टर हाउ मेनी इयर्स एनी अकाउंट कैन बी नोन एज इनएक्टिव अकाउंट. तो इनएक्टिव अकाउंट हम कितने साल के बाद बोलते हैं? इफ अकाउंट इज नॉट इन यूज फॉर द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ हाउ मेनी इयर्स वी कॉल इट इनएक्टिव अकाउंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Second question, after how many years any account can be considered as inoperative account? Inoperative account. तो inoperative account हम कितने साल के बाद बोलते हैं? Same is also called dormant account. So dormant account, inoperative और dormant account कितने साल के बाद बोलते हैं? So after how many years we call it inoperative account or dormant account? हाँ भाई. So this is 1 year, okay. And last question is, after how many years we call any account as unclaimed deposit? Unclaimed deposit. Very good. Unclaimed deposit. One more last question. Question number 4. As per the Reserve Bank of India, how much money is there in DEF fund at present? Depositor Education Awareness Fund. As per the recent data by the Reserve Bank of India, how much money holded by RBI in the DEF fund? RBI के पास करंट में DEF fund में कितना पैसा है, वो डेटा बताइए. So inactive account is the account which is not in use for the duration of how many years? 1 year. Then inoperative account, dormant account is the account which is not in the use for the duration of how many years? 2 years. Unclaimed deposits are the deposit which are not utilized for the duration of how many years? 10 years. How much amount RBI told that RBI is holding currently in the DEF fund is 78,000 crore rupee. Very good, yaar. Perfect. Very good. So 78,000 crore rupees there with the Reserve Bank of India in the DEF fund. इतना पैसा भी RBI के पास DEF में पड़ा हुआ है. Now RBI want to decrease this. RBI want to return this money to the customer. So RBI says that KYC will be easier now for the customer. तो customer को क्या करना पड़ता है? Customers required to activate. See, if it is an inactive account, if an account is inactive, simply inactive, just one transaction is required. KYC is not necessary to activate inactive account. इसको ऐसे ही activate किया जा सकता है, just by making a deposit and withdraw. It will be active. But if the account is dormant, then re-KYC is required from here. यहां से जरूरत पड़ जाती है किस चीज की? re-KYC की. So re-KYC is necessary in case of dormant account. Re-KYC is necessary in case of unclaimed deposit. So to make re-KYC easier, RBI says that now along with the base branch, you can go and do the re-KYC from any branch of same bank all over India. It means in the re-KYC also core banking solution will be applicable. Till now it was necessary to visit your base branch. मुझे भी जाना था, मैं भी गया था थोड़े टाइम पहले. Recently I was visit on the hometown at the time of Holi festival when I have visited my hometown. At that time I went to base branch, State Bank of India. I have seen a long queue. So that is required. You need to go to the base branch to do the re-KYC. Till now it was the rule. Now RBI says that you can go any other branch as well. आपको जाना पड़ेगा. अब आप किसी भी branch में जाइए आपके बैंक के, you can do the re-KYC. Point number 1. So KYC can be updated at any branch. Second point, video KYC will be allowed. दूसरा point बोला है कि video KYC भी allow होगा. Third point, banking correspondent can be used for the KYC. तो 3 point में इन्होंने KYC को क्या कर दिया? Easy कर दिया है. So now the KYC will be easy. Video KYC, branch flexibility, reducing the paperwork, travel, benefit around the senior citizen, NRI, higher claiming the fund and deceased relatives. तो इन सारी चीजों में applicable होगा. It will finally may decrease the number of unclaimed deposit in the banking system. Sir, what about 1 year, 2 year if there is no transaction on that period. मैंने बताया तो if the account is not in use for the duration of 1 year, it is called inactive account. If the account is not in use for the duration of 2 years, it is called dormant account. 1 year without re-KYC, you can activate it again. If it is not in use for the duration of 2 years, then re-KYC is necessary. I've explained it. Come back to the next news or move to the next news. Reserve Bank of India report the forex reserve of Reserve Bank of India increased by $5.117 billion. The total forex reserve of Reserve Bank of India is $696 billion. तो $696 billion का $696 billion का ये आपका forex reserve है. $696 billion is the forex reserve of Reserve Bank of India. Apart from this particular news, I would not suggest to cover anything at present. अभी कुछ और cover करने का जरूरत नहीं है. The reason being, if we are going for any upcoming examination, very recent examination also, they will ask this data. When we are going for RRB and other examination, it will be updated. Whole data will be updated. So no other things are required to cover for now. अभी के लिए नहीं है जरूरत. In future we will cover it in detail, in depth with the updated data. चलिए कुछ डाउट आए हैं. सर, any public sector bank means you are asking, sir, these guidelines will be applicable in any public sector bank. Yes, it will be applicable in all the public sector bank, but not immediately from tomorrow. It will take some time. थोड़ा time लगेगा, but it will be implemented in all the public sector banks. सारी जगह पर applicable होंगे. Sir, what is the meaning of forex reserve? Good question. I thought that forex reserve you guys will be aware about. My mistake. Sorry. Forex reserve means Reserve Bank of India make investment in the foreign currency, including SDR, special drawing right, like dollar, yen, yuan. So in the foreign currency also RBI do make investment, including gold as well. So forex currencies, foreign and other precious metals like gold, silver, in such type of metals as well, RBI make the investment. This type of investment in the foreign currency, this type of investment in the precious metal is called the reserve of Reserve Bank of India. तो RBI का reserve इसे कहा जाता है. And which is the investment which made in the foreign currency form is called forex reserve. जितना investment foreign currency में हुआ है उसे कहा जाता है forex reserve. Clear है? Yes. See, for IBPS SO examination, current affairs level is low. This current affairs is enough for if you are writing IBPS RRB PO, IBPS PO, RBI grade B, SEBI grade A, NABARD grade A, or SBI PO. For all these examinations, this current affairs is enough, including all your insurance sector examination. But you need to follow it properly, revise it regularly. It's more than enough. Go and write your examination confidently. Moving to the next news, NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. It is one of the all India financial institution in India. Can you tell me the list of all 5 all India financial institution? That what are the name of all 5 financial institution in India? Revise हो जाएगा फटाफट से list बताइए. Till then I'll complete this news. So NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, get the approval from the Government of India to raise 19,500 crore rupee via deep discount bond. First of all, NABARD is going to issue the bond into the market to take loan of 19,500 crore rupee. तो बॉन्ड का मीनिंग होता है कि एक डेट इंस्ट्रूमेंट है जिसको नाबार्ड मार्केट में इश्यू करेगा. अगेंस्ट दैट डेट इंस्ट्रूमेंट नाबार्ड विल टेक लोन. नाबार्ड लोन ले रहा है कितने का? 19,500 crore rupee का, which NABARD need to return back in future with returns. Now, meaning of deep discount bond is, deep discount bonds are also known as zero coupon bond. In the deep discount bond or zero coupon bonds, if issuer, for example NABARD, NABARD is issuing one bond at 1 lakh rupee. एक बॉन्ड का प्राइस है 1 lakh rupee. So this will be called face value. Face value. So when we are investing into this bond, they will not take face value 1 lakh rupee from us. 1 लाख रुपए नहीं मांगेंगे. They will say that it is discounted by 20%. Means purchase cost is 80,000 rupee. Purchase cost is 80,000 rupee. They will say that you can buy it at 80,000. Cost is 1 lakh, but you can buy it at 80,000. Maturity period is 2 years. For example, maturity period is 2 years. 2 years का maturity period है. So today I am giving 80,000 rupee to NABARD. NABARD will return me back face value after 2 years without any interest. इसमें interest हो जाएगा 0. ROI will be 0. Rate of interest will be 0. If rate of interest is 0, nobody will invest. That is why discount is there to make you profitable in future. So discount is 20%, means altogether you are going to generate the profit of 20% at the time of maturity. तो आज आप इसको परचेस करोगे 80,000 में और आपको नाबार्ड रिटर्न करेगा फेस वैल्यू आफ्टर 2 years. As per the example, that will be 1 lakh rupee. So 20,000 that was the discount, same 20,000 became the profit for you. Is my point clear? What is the meaning of deep discount bond? बोलो ये समझ में आ गया कि नहीं आया? Yes or no में आंसर कर दें. चलिए लिस्ट आ गया सारे लोगों का. All India financial institutions in India, correct है. One is NABARD, NABARD, ठीक है. One is SIDBI, one is SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India, ठीक है. One is NHB, National Housing Bank, perfect. Another one is EXIM, Export Import Bank of India, Export Import Bank of India, and one is National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development. ये हो गया 5. क्लियर है. It can be traded in the secondary market. बिल्कुल इसको ट्रेड कर सकते हैं secondary market में. There is no problem. It can be definitely traded in the secondary market, but you need to either compromise with your discount or returns will be lower. How much time before you will sell? According to that you will get the returns. So 19,500 crore rupee will be raised by the NABARD with the support of deep discount bond where rate of interest will not be there. 10 years, 11 months, 13 days is the maturity period. ये आपका maturity period है. 20-25% discount will be there as per the NABARD. तो 20-25% का इसमें discount होगा. ठीक है? As per the NABARD. So NABARD will be able to raise the fund till March 2027. So NABARD have approval till March 2027. If you want to raise 19,500 crore rupee, you can raise. Guys, I have not got the proper confirmation on this particular news. Is the concept deep discount bond is clear or not clear? क्या वो concept समझ में आ गया? Deep discount bond क्या होते हैं? Yeah? Those who have attended the classes of banking awareness, उनको तो पता होगा, but those who are new, those who are completely new for the banking awareness, they should understand what is the meaning of deep discount bond. ठीक है. Next news है आपके पास. Maruti Suzuki India recently done the collaboration with the Equitas Small Finance Bank for the strategic vehicle financing partnership. The partnership aimed to offer the comprehensive financing solution to the customer profile of the Maruti Suzuki. In this collaboration, the growing customer base of Equitas Small Finance Bank benefit to the Maruti Suzuki customers. So Equitas Small Finance Bank, originally the Equitas Microfinance Limited, converted into the Small Finance Bank in the year 2016. कुछ नहीं है, न्यूज सिंपल सा है. For example, you are buying to buy in the next few days the car of Maruti Suzuki. कितने लोगों को परचेस करना है मारुति सुजुकी का कार? That yes sir, I want to buy. Yes sir, I want to buy. So for example, you entered into the showroom of Maruti Suzuki and you have decided I want to buy this car. ये कार परचेस करना है. ठीक है. They will say you okay sir, yes sir, you can select, everything is fine. Then when it will come to the payment, they will ask you, sir, do you need loan? You will say yes, I need loan. So they will say we have our Equitas Small Finance Bank as a banking partner, sir. Equitas will give you loan immediately and a competitive good rate of interest also they will offer you. अच्छा rate of interest भी दे देंगे आपको, and then they will get to know and you will say that no, I don't need loan from Equitas Small Finance Bank. I am working as a bank PO with one of the public sector bank. So when you will say that I am working as a bank PO with one of the public sector bank, my bank offer me loan at very lower rate of interest. आपका बैंक आपको कार लोन भी कम rate of interest पर देता है. Equitas cannot match. So you will say that no, I know that. I read during the current affairs. I know that you have collaboration with the Equitas Small Finance Bank, but I am a banker. I am working as a bank PO. I am working with this public sector bank, so I will be able to get the loan from my bank only at lower rate of interest. So I'll go for that, not Equitas. ठीक है, point clear है? बोल रहे हैं no sir, Hyundai is better or Tata is better. How was this situation? How you are feeling in this situation? Standing into a car showroom, irrespective of what car showroom is deciding that and saying that no, I'll take loan from my own bank. अपने ही बैंक से लोन ले लूंगा मैं, ठीक है? चलो, बैंक हेडक्वार्टर लोकेटेड इन चेन्नई तमिलनाडु. बैंक हेडक्वार्टर लोकेटेड इन चेन्नई तमिलनाडु. Equitas Small Finance and Maruti Suzuki have done the collaboration. Next news. Business loan 24/7. It is a name of a portal. Business loan 24/7. It is the name of the portal. This portal recently launched by Poonawalla FinCorp. So Poonawalla FinCorp recently launched a digital portal name as Business Loan 24/7. It will be able to offer the loan, that is especially the business loan, to the self-employed individuals and MSME, micro, small, medium enterprises. Simple कर ले news को. Poonawalla FinCorp, which is a NBFC, non-bank financial company. This company have launched a business loan 24/7 portal. The portal where you can upload your document, you can upload your previous income, you can upload the collateral details, and after that you will be able to take the loan 24/7 anytime digitally online. तो ऑनलाइन लोन लेने की आपकी फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करी है पूनावाला फिनकॉर्प ने. स्पेशली इट इज अ बिजनेस लोन which is made for the individual as well as for the micro, small, medium enterprises. The portal name is Business Loan 24/7. It is launched by Poonawalla FinCorp. Launch किया है Poonawalla FinCorp ने. Coming to the next one, WPI, Wholesale Price Index. So we know that inflation in India calculated into two forms. One is called WPI, second is called CPI. WPI means Consumer Price Index, CPI means Wholesale. WPI means Wholesale Price Index, CPI means Consumer Price Index. WPI, that is Wholesale Price Index, is the calculation of prices get increased at the wholesale level. That is, the price of 100 kg sugar got increased, the price of 100 kg rice got increased. That type of increment impact WPI. WPI does not consider services. So if there is any increment in education, healthcare, internet, insurance, banking services, then there is no impact on the WPI. WPI में जो services हैं वो included नहीं है. One of the very costly service in the India is education and healthcare. If the prices of education or healthcare get increases, there is no impact on WPI. That is why we have parallelly CPI, Consumer Price Index, which is based on the retail prices, MRP, which is impacting to us directly. And CPI is based on both goods and services. Now coming to the data. The annual inflation rate of WPI is 0.39% in the month of May 2025. तो May month में आपका WPI inflation कितना रहा? It was 0.39%. तो डिक्रीमेंट हुआ है इसमें WPI में. WPI का जो प्राइस है वो कंटिन्यूसली और इंडेक्स जो है वो कंटिन्यूसली आपका डिक्रीज हो रहा है. Major reasons हैं डिक्रीमेंट इन द और इंक्रीमेंट इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फ्यूल, पावर एक्सेट्रा, इन सब में इंक्रीमेंट होने के कारण. सो 0 पॉइंट कितना था? 0.39% was the WPI inflation in the month of May. Coming to the CPI की बात करें, so CPI inflation was declined 0.95%. ये भी 1% के अंदर आ रहा है. So CPI आपका आ गया 2.82%. CPI आ गया आपका 2.82%. 3% के नीचे आ गया CPI. WPI less than 1%. CPI आ गया है less than 3%. So 2.82% was the CPI inflation rate, consumer price inflation rate in the month of May. अगर डेटा की बात करें, पहले डेटा चेक कर लेते हैं. So CPI in the month of May was 2.82%, 2.82%, and April 2025 it was 3. April 2025 it was 3.16%. April 25 जो था आपका 3.16% हो गया. ठीक है, ये हो गया 3.16%. No. WPI base year is still 2011-12. It is not updated to 22-23. अभी अपडेट नहीं हुआ है ये. Base year is still 2011-12 for WPI. Still it is 2011-12. And for CPI it is still 2012. Updation is in process. अभी अपडेट नहीं हुआ है. ठीक है, हाँ, रिकमेंडेटेड है वो, रिकमेंडेशन में है. That is recommended. Okay, got my point. For CPI, Consumer Price Index is 2012. CPI का 2012 है. डेटा की बात करते हैं, एक बार डेटा चेक कर लेते हैं. So April month, April month, WPI was 0.85%, came down to 0.39%. 0.85 से डिक्रीज होकर 0.39 पर आ गया. CPI 3.16% comes down to 2.82%. So WPI, CPI both are at very low level. दोनों ही कम लेवल पर आ गए हैं. Both WPI and CPI at a very low level. If we'll see the CPI inflation rate in India, अगर CPI inflation rate की बात करें इंडिया में, so Kerala was the state with the highest CPI, followed by Punjab, then Jammu Kashmir. These are the top 3 states with the CPI inflation rate in the month of May. May month में CPI inflation rate इन 3 states में टॉप पर रहा. That was Kerala, Punjab and Jammu Kashmir. Kerala, Punjab and Jammu Kashmir. And here you have the complete data. यहाँ पर आपके पास full data है regarding WPI and CPI. I hope the statements are clear. बोलिए yes or no. Clear हो गया क्या क्या data है WPI, CPI का. Coming to the inflation वाला point. So Mr. Prashant Kumar, who is the managing director and CEO of Yes Bank from long back, got the approval to lead the bank for another 6 months. His tenure got over in the month of his tenure is getting over in the month of October. So from October he will be getting the extension for another 6 months. 6 महीने का extension दे दिया Reserve Bank of India ने Mr. Prashant Kumar को to lead the organization for another 6 months. So in the Yes Bank is under the discussion mode with SMBC Bank, SMBC Japan-based bank, where SMBC Bank is planning to acquire 20% stake in Yes Bank. SMBC Japan का bank है, it's a foreign bank. This bank is planning to acquire 20% stake in the Yes Bank. Yes Bank 20% purchase करने जा रहा है. Approximately 14% from SBI and approximately 13% from SBI and approximately 7% from other 7 banks. So this is what the plan which is undergoing on discussion mode. SMBC is planning to buy 20% stake from the Yes Bank. Prashant Kumar was first appointed as the Yes Bank administrator in 2020, 5 years back. The time when Yes Bank was in very difficult situation, was about to shut down. ऐसी हालत पे था Yes Bank, बंद होने की कगार पे. In the year 2020, at that time Mr. Prashant Kumar was appointed. And now this is a profitable bank. आज की डेट में जो Yes Bank है वो एक profitable bank है. So he is a good leader actually. Next one, Lieutenant Commander Yashashvi Solanki appointed as aide-de-camp of President Draupadi Murmu, becoming the first woman officer from the Indian Navy to hold this prestigious position. So there are total 5 officials from the different militaries get appointed, from Indian Navy, from Indian Air Force, from Indian Army. Indian Navy 1 officer, Indian Air Force 1 officer, and then from Indian Army other 3 officer. Total 5 for the President of India. President of India के लिए 5 ऐसे officers appoint किए जाते हैं. A type of you can say that bodyguard come secretaries, those who will be always there with the President of India. So Yashashvi Solanki hails from Haryana, joined Indian Navy in the year 2012. She served under the Short Service Commission in Logistic Branch, and now she has been appointed as aide de camp for the President of India. तो इन्होंने अभी recently appoint किया aide de camp of the President of India. ठीक है. She has joined the squadron leader Manisha Padi, who has been appointed as the ADC to the Governor of Uttarakhand in the year 2023. Puneet Arora was the first woman to hold the rank of the Lieutenant General in the Indian Army. Few days before we had a news also. एक कुछ दिन पहले हमने अभी न्यूज देखा था आपका ये वाला, that Manisha Padi, an officer from 2015 batch of Indian Air Force, she became the aide de camp of the state governor in India. She has been appointed ADC to the governor of Mizoram Hari Babu recently. ये अभी बिल्कुल recent का न्यूज था, ये हम लोगों ने अभी recently डिस्कस किया था. ठीक है, तो इसको कवर कर लीजिएगा, ये वाले पॉइंट को भी. नेक्स्ट न्यूज है आपका, मिस्टर अमिताभ कांत left the position of the G20 Sherpa and completed the tenure of approximately 45 year with the government of India. भारत सरकार के साथ 45 year का इनका tenure complete हो गया है. He served on the different position. He used to be the CEO of नीति आयोग as well. नीति आयोग के CEO भी रहे हैं. G20 as a Sherpa also he was there. He hold different secretary position as well in the government of India. Now finally, Mr. Amitabh Kant is getting retired. Coming to the national international news category, NASA recently captured the picture of one of the volcano name is Ercia Mons. इसको नाम दिया गया है Ercia Mons. What is Sherpa? You guys have not covered the G20 time. No, G20 Sherpa is a type of like chief secretary of G20. So G20 summits which are conducted, group of 20. From the India side, who will be the main secretary? Who will be a type of main representative in G20? That is called Sherpa. When G20 was held in India, at that time Sherpa was in a continuous news. So that is what the G20 Sherpa, a type of main representative of the country in that particular group. So that was G20 Sherpa. Mr. Amitabh Kant was appointed when India was holding the G20 summit. ठीक है, चलिए back to the news. So there is a volcano name is Ercia Mons. इसको नाम देख लो, इसका नाम याद कर लो, ARSIA, Ercia Mons. It is the name of the volcano. This volcano recently found over the Mars. ठीक है, picture was taken by NASA Odyssey orbiter. So NASA's Odyssey orbiter have taken the picture. इन्होंने picture लिया है. The height of this volcano is around 20 kilometer called Ercia Mons. So 20 kilometer का height है, which is almost twice of the highest volcano that is located on Earth, Mauna Loa, that is located in Hawaii Island. तो जो अर्थ पर लोकेटेड सबसे ऊंचा वॉल्केनो है, उसके डबल हाइट का वॉल्केनो फाइंड किया है कहां पर? मार्स पे, और उसको नाम दिया गया है Ercia Mons. So Ercia Mons is the name of the volcano. Picture was taken by Odyssey orbiter. Odyssey orbiter is the orbiter of NASA. बस इतना ही न्यूज है, सिंपल न्यूज है. So Ercia Mons is about 120 kilometer wide, making it's larger than many earth volcanoes together. बहुत सारे earth volcanoes को मिलाने के बाद भी Ercia Mons का height and weight is very very higher compared to lots of volcanoes over the earth. Next one, United Nations declared 2026 as the International Year of Women to recognize the role in the global agriculture. So United Nations officially designated year 2026 as the International Year of Women Farmers to highlight the contribution of the women in the agriculture sector in the world. Women contribution is nearly 50% in the food supply, representing 60% to 80% in the food production in developing nation, accounting 39% in the agriculture workforce in Asia. आप तो पहला वाला डेटा याद कर लो, that women contribution is around 50% in the food production. 15% के approximately food production है. Nearly 80% of rural women are engaged in the agriculture sector according to the census of 2011. In India, 3.6 crore women farmers and 6.15 crore women are the agriculture laborers. So approximately 10 crore women are engaged in the agriculture in only in India. India में 10 करोड़ के आसपास वुमेन जो है वो एग्रीकल्चर में इन्वॉल्व है. ये सारा डेटा हो गया. नाउ कमिंग टू द इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ लिस्ट बाय द यूनाइटेड नेशन. ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है, कंफ्यूजिंग भी रहता है बिकॉज इट इज नॉट वन पर्टिकुलर ईयर अनाउंस्ड बाय द यूनाइटेड नेशन एंड दैट बिकेम द इंटरनेशनल ईयर इजीली. सो 2026 की बात करें, so it is also international year of volunteer for the sustainable development, international year of rangelands and pastoralist. Rangeland and pastoralists meaning समझा देता हूं. Rangeland is a green grass area that is called rangeland, and pastoralist means those who economy is based on the agriculture allied activities. Those whose economies or family economy is based on the agriculture allied activities, especially I'm not getting that one word, cattle farming. Cattle farming. So those who are based on the cattle farming, they are called pastoralist, जिनकी इकोनॉमी कैटल फार्मिंग पर ज्यादातर बेस्ड है. इंडिया की बात करें, ऐसे किसान, ऐसे लोग जिनका बहुत ज्यादा जो डेयरी बिजनेस में इन्वॉल्व है, ऐसे लोग, दे आर कॉल्ड पैस्टोरलिस्ट. सो इट इज द इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ 2026. इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ 2025, इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ साइंस, इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ क्वांटम साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. ठीक है. इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ कोऑपरेटिव, इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ ग्लेशियर प्रिजर्वेशन, इंटरनेशनल ईयर ऑफ पीस एंड ट्रस्ट. ये 25 के हैं. So international year of quantum science, cooperative, glacier preservation, peace and trust, ये 25 है. ठीक है. And now in the 26 one more year got added, that is international year of women. तो ये 26 में एक और year add हो गया, international year of women. 24 was easy, only one, international year of camelites. तो 24 आपका easy था, international year of camelites. तो ये आपका पूरा list है. Which are the international years announced by the United Nations, which जो UN ने भी recently announce किए हैं. ठीक है. If the index WPI CPI is low, is it a boon or ban? Inflation is a very complicated topic. Topic means not difficult or easy to understand. Inflation is required to be controlled, but it has to be up to a level also. Why RBI decreases the repo rate in the last monetary policy directly by the 50 basis point? The reason is very low inflation. Because inflation is very low, RBI is worried about it. Currently, RBI is not trying to control the inflation. Currently, RBI want to boost the inflation, want to increase it. थोड़ा सा increase होना जरूरी है inflation अभी. It is necessary. So CPI inflation rate has to be around 4%. 4% के approximately चलेगा CPI inflation rate, then it is good. If it is lower than 2%, 1.5%, it is a difficult situation for the economy. Reason? Inflation rate at 1%, 1.5% is the indication demand is low. If the demand will decrease with the time, production will increase, which will further increase the unemployment in the economy, which will decrease the GDP rate of the nation. India is a developing country. For the nation like India, GDP rate is required approximately 6 to 7%. Higher GDP based on the production. What is GDP? Gross domestic product. So production within a financial year is called GDP, in short, in simple. Production is based on demand. If the demand will be high, prices will also increase. So it is very, very difficult to increase the GDP without inflation. The push of inflation is required to increase the GDP rate. ऐसे समझिए. इसलिए inflation जो है उसको थोड़ा सा मैनेज करके रखना भी जरूरी है. I hope the point is clear. ठीक है, समझ में आया होगा, मैंने शॉर्ट में एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश की है. Sir, how they decide these years? Rachna, it depends on the topic and the importance they get. No need to run behind the logic that how they decide, what is the process, what is the formula. There is no use. You have now three data to remember. What are the United Nations year of the year, this international year for the year 2026, 3 for 2025. Total 6 data you need to learn for the United Nations international year, right? तो वो कवर करो कि वो 6 ईयर्स कौन से अनाउंस किए यूनाइटेड नेशन ने. ठीक है, क्लियर हुआ. इंडिया सेलिब्रेट 10 ईयर इंटरनेशनल योगा डे. विशाखापट्टनम आंध्र प्रदेश इज गोइंग टू होस्ट द नेशनल इवेंट. High level delegation from the Ministry of Ayush and the Andhra Pradesh government conducted the detailed field review ensuring the preparedness of further Prime Minister Narendra Modi visit for the International Yoga Day. So PM Modi will be participating into the International Yoga Day event that will be conducted in Visakhapatnam on 21st of June 2025. तो 21st June 2025 में ये conduct होगा in Andhra Pradesh. So it will include RK Beach, Rashikonda Beach, Andhra University, Geetam University. All these are the venues. ये सारा places जो होगा, this will be the venue for the International Yoga Day event 2025. ये सब. Theme will be Yoga for One Earth, One Health. Yoga for One Earth, One Health. That will be the theme of 2025. Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently honored with Grand Cross of the Order Marcos III award given by Cyprus. So President of Cyprus H.E. Nikos honored on the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Cyprus. Prime Minister Narendra Modi have been honored with this Order of Makarios. Order of Makarios 3 awards. Order of Makarios 3 award or the Grand Cross award was given to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And talking about the country Cyprus capital is Nicosia. Euro is the capital. It is a country of Europe continent. तो Europe continent का country है. Nicosia is the capital. Euro is the currency. India halt rare metal export to Japan to prioritize the domestic needs. So there are few rare metals. Recently it was there in the international use. Not only Japan, not only India, China and India both are trying to protect their rare metals now. Now these rare metals are one of the very important component in the car manufacturing industry, especially in the electric car manufacturing industry. It will impact the production of car manufacturing at the international level. So there is one of the metal like neodymium. So this metal is a very important metal in the electric vehicle motor and magnet. So India have recently halt the export of this metal to Japan. अभी इंडिया ने इसका जो एक्सपोर्ट है वो रोक दिया है जापान को. India had the collaboration with or MOU with the Toyota for such type of rare metal export, but now India has stopped it. So India want to check that how, because in India also there is a growing demand of the electric vehicle. So now India is prioritizing that first we will provide such type of rare metal to our companies, Tata, Mahindra, and after that only we will be doing the export. तो अभी इंडिया का ऑब्जेक्टिव ये कि भाई करेंगे एक्सपोर्ट करेंगे, but first of all we will be focused on which area? First of all we will be focused on the our own companies कि हमारी companies के ऊपर हम focus रखें. 2025 inland fisheries meet for the collaborative push under Pradhan Matsya Sampada Yojana was held in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. So recently Pradhan Matsya Sampada Yojana under Pradhan Matsya Sampada Yojana on 13th of June in Indore, Madhya Pradesh, inland fisheries aquaculture meeting was done. So 2025 the meeting related to the fisheries sector, aquaculture sector was held in which city? So it was held in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. कहाँ पर हुआ था ये? So it was held in Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Indore, Madhya Pradesh में conduct हुआ. Union Minister Rajiv Ranjan Singh, also known as Lallan Singh, participated in this meeting. तो इसमें participate किया. Government of India have shared the data that the fish production increased by 142% since 13-14 to 147 lakh टन हो गया है. 142% से इंक्रीज हुआ है फिश प्रोडक्शन ऑफ India. Approximately 3 crore people are based on the fish production for their livelihood. Government have done the funding of total 38,572 crore rupee for the fisheries sector with the support of different scheme including Matsya Sampada Yojana, KCC initiative for the fisheries sector. इनके support से one last two news. Yaji Hilang won the gold medal at South Asian Bodybuilding Physics Sport Championship. So Yaji Hilang, she has secured first position in the women model physics up to 155 centimeter. So Yaji Hilang, she is from Arunachal Pradesh. Recently, she was honored, or she won, actually not honored, she won gold medal at 15th South Asian Bodybuilding Championship. Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank recently set up India's first cyber security operations center, especially for the cooperative banks. Other cooperative banks can also take the support from this Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank Cyber Security Center by paying certain amount. कुछ पैसा पे करना पड़ेगा obviously. So with the investment of 50 crore rupee in Vashi, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank have started this cyber security center. तो cyber security center start किया Maharashtra State Cooperative Bank ने. All over India, other cooperative bank can also take the support system from here. इनसे support ले सकते हैं. This was the last news, guys. PDF will be available in this Telegram group. So join the Telegram group for the PDF, or if you have any confusion regarding the preparation, you can connect with me. Central Bank of India and PNB credit officer batches are live. You can start preparation by joining the batch today itself. Inform to your friend as well. Please like the session, share with your friend. I will be meeting you back same place, same time tomorrow morning as well. So join me live daily 8 o'clock for your daily current affairs booster dose for all your upcoming banking and insurance sector examination. I'll be meeting you back. Till that time, keep watching ID, guys. Take care. Jai Hind. All the best.